Hi, I want you to take about 30 seconds and look at my engine and tell me if you see something that's, less than safe. If you guessed that a plastic fuel filter is a bad idea, then you would be correct. So I was at a car show and a gentleman walked up to me and said, Chad, that's not a good idea. And I was like, you know what, I had that thought. And next time I'm hanging around the parts store, I'll buy a new filter. And so what have I got here? I've got the Edelbrock 8134 set up. So it's got the nice chrome tube that'll come off my carburetor and hold a nice metal anodized looking fuel filter. And so the only problem is I can't just directly go to a fuel line because it's all AN fittings. So then I got an AN adapter from Russell that goes from the AN6 fitting to a 3/8 barb. So then I can put my fuel line on it. So it's probably a 5-minute job, but I mean, this is going to be a nice safety thing to do. Let's look at how it was. Just the fuel line came right off the back of the carburetor into a plastic fuel filter, back into a line, and down into a metal tube to my fuel pump. So this kit is going to offer a metal part that holds the fuel filter nice and clearly away from the linkages and choke. The instructions are showing banjo bolt washer, fuel line washer, and how it attaches. And so it didn't really come that way in the packaging, so I'm going to go ahead and move a washer and then put it through. So banjo bolt washer, fuel line washer. And then I'll go ahead and install it. Oh, isn't that nice and slick? So AN fittings are nicely anodized and they're beautiful aluminum, and you don't really want to scratch them. That's why they have AN wrenches. And so I don't have the luxury of such a tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put tape on the jaws of my wrenches, and that way I can do my little one-time installation. It's the only AN fitting I have on the entire car, so I don't really want to go buy a wrench just for the one job, but I'm going to make sure I don't scratch it up just by using tape. Duct tape, electrical tape, something. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Really, that took me all of 5 minutes to remove the old plastic one and install the really nice looking Edelbrock one. So the only thing I'm going to miss about this unsafe one is that it was clear. And so, a quick visual look at it can tell you if you're getting fuel to your carburetor or not. This one here is not transparent, so I won't have that luxury. But I'll have the added safety and the cool looks. Thanks for watching.